Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can do a fade out in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found in a couple of places. You can either do this from the create option in the main menu, or we can select library. Then we're going to find the song that we want to do the fade out on. So in this case, I've got Bolly Rock ready to go, and we're going to click on this edit button. And this is new. This is something that they've updated here recently, and they've brought all of the different editing functions in the same place, which is really incredible. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring us to this page. And now we have these incredible tools all in the same spot for us to use. So we can replace a section, we can extend a section, we can crop, and we can fade out. So let's go ahead and click on fade out. And now you can see here that we have this fade out at the end of our song, and it's really great. We can modify it by sliding the bar, so depending on where we want the fade out to be. So I think in this case, I would probably want the fade out to be, you can see here where the song kind of reaches a point right here. So that's where we're going to do the fade out. And then from there, all you got to do is just click on fade out, and it's going to start fading out our clip. Now, I'm out of credits, so I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work out, but we'll find out together. But essentially, the process is going to be the same no matter what you're doing. And what it's going to do here is it's basically going to do a nice fade out on the section. So this is something that you could do, like if you have a song and instead of doing an extension where you just want it to end there, then you can do the fade out, and that's going to just cause the song to fade out exactly where you request that. So that's great. Let's go ahead and listen to it.
Twist and shout under blood red sky. Sacred beats, the battle's nigh. Time for Bolly Rock. That's Bolly Rock, baby. In Jesus' name,
So there you go. So that did a really nice fade out for us at the end of our song. And that is a very useful tool. It's something that deals with the frustration that many have had with Suno. And that is that sometimes the song just cuts off or at the end. And then you can use the extend option, of course. But having the fade out option is incredible. And having everything in one edit screen now is massive. It really means that you just have so much more control over your songs and can really dial it in. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.